Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Study. In this video, we will discuss about reproduction in bacteria, part 3rd. Reproduction in bacteria. Bacteria reproduces by vegetative, asexual and sexual methods. Vegetative reproduction by binary fission, budding and fragmentation. Asexual reproduction by endospore and conidiospore formation. And sexual reproduction by conjugation, transformation and transduction. Vegetative reproduction in bacteria. Vegetative reproduction takes place by three different methods: binary fission, budding, and fragmentation. First, binary fission. It is the simplest type of vegetative reproduction. Binary fission begins with DNA but does not exchange genetic information. The cells become an exact replication of each other. The single body cell of bacteria divides into two by a constriction. In bacteria, the two parts followed by a division of cytoplasm. Each daughter cell evenly separates and grows into full size. Vegetative reproduction by budding. It is a rare process of reproduction. In this process, a vegetative cell forms a lateral protuberance in the form of outer bulge-like structure containing fragments of genetic material and enlarges and eventually develops into new cell. The third way of vegetative reproduction in bacteria is through fragmentation. These bacteria are filamentous in nature. During favorable condition, the filaments breaks into several fragments. Each such fragment, after onset of favorable conditions, develops into new bacteria. Let us discuss about asexual reproduction in bacteria. Asexual reproduction takes place by formation of endospores and conidia. First, endospore formation. At the time of endospore formation, bacterial cell remains intact but the protoplasm shrink to the center. The center of bacterial cell is surrounded by three-layered wall called endosporium. The area between the endosporium and original cell wall remains empty. It is known as exosporium. During favorable condition, the wall ruptures and bacterial cell emerges out and it grows into new bacteria. Asexual reproduction by formation of conidiospores. The bacteria like Streptomyces reproduces asexually by producing many spores called conidiospores. Conidiospores are produced by formation of crosswall, that is septa, at the hypal tips and continuously producing chain of bacteria. Let us discuss about sexual reproduction in bacteria. First, by conjugation. Genetic material of one bacterium is transferred to the other bacterium by the formation of tube-like structure is called as conjugation. It is the process of temporary union of two bacterial cells. The bacteria which donates the genetic material is called donor cell or F+ cell or male cell. The bacteria which receives the genetic material is called recipient cell or F- or female cell. The male bacterium possesses sex pili but no pili found in the female bacterium. At the time of conjugation, a tube established between F+ cell and F- cell and the tube is called conjugation tube. A small nick develops in the F+ cell. One of the F5 end of one strand slowly enters through conjugation tube into the F- cell. As a result, one strand of male completely enters F- cell and becomes circular. The both cells having single-stranded plasmid after synthesized its complementary strand result into double-stranded plasmid. Thereafter, two conjugates separate from each other. Female bacterial cell is transformed into male cell. Second way of sexual reproduction in bacteria is through transformation. It is the physical phenomenon by which the incorporation of DNA from one bacterium into another result in the development of new genotype. This is also due to genetic recombination. During transformation, the cells which are ready to take up naked DNA and get transformed are said to be competent cells. The process was first reported in Streptococcus pneumoniae by Griffith. Sexual reproduction in bacteria by transduction. This is the process of sexual reproduction of bacteria was first discovered by Zinn and Lederberg in 1952. It is the process of transfer of DNA fragment from one bacteria into the other with the help of bacteriophage. The process also results in genetic recombination. So this is all about reproduction in bacteria.